Hello, welcome to Bromtech Engineering. Today we are going to learn about the difference between one-way and two-way spanning slabs. Hope you will learn a lot and you will enjoy through the study. To start us off, in one-way spanning slabs, the ratio of the longer dimension to the shorter dimension is normally greater or equal to 2. For instance, in our panel drawn below here, where L is the length of the panel and W is the width of the panel, with the width as 3.2 meters and the spanning length as 7 meters, the ratio is 2.19, which is greater than 2. Therefore, this slab is a one-way spanning slab. For a two-way spanning slab, the ratio of the longer dimension to the shorter dimension is normally less than 2. And for instance, in the panel shown here, just as in the one-way slab, where the width of our slab is 4.5 meters and the length is 7 meters, the ratio is 1.6 meters, which is actually less than 2. Therefore, this is a two-way spanning slab, and this is the most basic check according to the British standard 8110 whenever we are determining one-way and two-way spanning slabs. Up to difference number 2. One-way slabs, they are normally supported by two beams on opposite sides of the longer dimension, as shown in the image above. And in two-way spanning slabs, they are normally supported by beams on all the four edges of the slab. Therefore, the slab loads the beams on all the four sides, as we will see later on. In terms of deflection, a one-way spanning slab deflects and curves in one direction, as shown above, and the shape of curvature is cylindrical. Whereas in a two-way spanning slab, the curves it curves and deflects or bends in both directions, as shown above, to result to a disc-shaped uh, image, as shown above. In terms of load distribution, or in one-way slabs, the load are distributed in one direction, as shown by the arrows. Since the slabs load beams, therefore they distribute their loads to the beams that are carrying them. And one-way slabs have beams only in the longer length, therefore they distribute their loads to the beams on the longer edges. Whereas in two-way spanning slabs, the loads are distributed to the beams on all the four edges of our slabs, as we will show. Even from fixing of the reinforcement site, if it is a monolithically cast reinforced concrete slab, then we will have main bars in all directions, as we will study later on. It's here where the main reinforcement in one-way spanning slabs is normally provided on the shorter direction as shown, due to bending in one direction to result to a cylindrical shape, as we had studied earlier. And we normally have an extra bar or crank bars that we provide in one direction on the direction of running of the main bar. And these are the bars that we normally have as our top bars. So our main bottom bars will be cranked to become our top bars only in one direction. Whereas in two-way spanning slabs, the main reinforcement is provided in both directions due to since bending happens on both directions to result to a dish-shaped figure. And the extra bar or crank bars that are normally called the top bars are provided on both directions since we have beams on all the four sides of our slab section. Here is a summary of what we have studied above, and there are normally different types of slabs, but whenever we are dealing with reinforced concrete slabs, then these are the differences between one-way and two-way spanning slabs. Also note that whenever we are casting these on site, one-way spanning slabs are normally economical because we have main reinforcements running only in one direction, whereas two-way spanning slabs are slightly expensive since we have the main bars running in both directions and we have the top or the cranked bars for the hogging moments in all directions. Therefore, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon for notifications in the future, and we seek to guide you on how to design each and every of these elements that we study here. So subscribe to the channel and we will learn together.